ChatGPT and CoPilot. This is the two tools that I'm recently used as a software engineer, and I think they are amazing. Let's just build a really simple app like sign-in form. Here we have a really simple setup. So as you can see on the left, we have CoPilot, a blank HTML, and if we save, it's update window here, and here we have ChatGPT template. When we save, it's update actually here. And this is our template. It's really simple. Like, it's quite usual work as a front-end or software engineer. So you need to make a sign-in page, and just let's get started. And I will use iPad with the start button. So we are starting coding, and I'm using VC Code and Vim as a code editor. So let's see. So we remove this one, and then we will ask CoPilot create a form with email and password, and just wait a little bit, and then you see this is a suggestion, so this we will delete. So here we have a kind of simple form, and we can actually add some knowledge, and let's say form, and then in style we can say form, and it's probably will understand something, so we'll see. Ooh, that's nice, right? So you see, it's already kind of really close that what we want. Submit password, and then we can say, okay, make the button orange. No, it's not working. Oh, it's just hover. That's sometimes you see it's make a mistake. Remove border. Make the text white. So yeah, this looks actually really good. So here in front of the form we can add a logo PNG. See, it works. So make a container for the logo. It's already suggesting us the comment. Class logo. We need to understand to close it. So we need to understand the HTML structure a bit when we use CoPilot, and then probably it will suggest us the, yeah, you see, make the bottom margin. So yeah, it looks quite cool actually, right? Here we're missing the labels, and I'm guessing that will actually suggest us, yeah, it's use H, but that's fine. See, here is not triggering this one, but if we do like this, yeah, I think it's pretty close. I think it's actually the wrong one. So it will say label for email. And for some reason, it's not suggesting us anything. In this case, it works well. So you see the CoPilot needs some hints. But I think actually the design is quite good. It's not perfect because, you know, we need to look at the mockup and adjust it accordingly, like colors and stuff, but that's probably easy to just pick color and put here than just explaining for CoPilot. So yeah, it took me 4 minutes to make it. It's obviously not working as like don't do any logic. It's also use PHP for some reason, but I mean the mockup is actually there. So part 2, let's try to do this with the ChatGPT. Build an HTML file with a logo and sign in form. Need to wait. I think it works approximately the same. So we just copy this one, paste here. So it looks like this. So we can have make the logo smaller and place it in the center. Yeah, I think the problem, I actually really like ChatGPT at the start is amazing, but the problem is you need to bring much more context, and then always rewrite everything from scratch, which takes quite a lot of time compared to the Copilot. This is number one. Let's see how it works. You see, it's also set the limits, so we probably can just, oh, it's actually put the styles, so we can try to partially do this. Yeah, it's good. See, it's not perfect, but, and then we can actually say make the form. Let's just try to speed up and copy just the styles. Yeah, it looks good. This is not the best syntax, but let's just try to fix it by hand. So we have a form text align left. Let's remove it. So it's left, and then, yeah, so yeah, I think as you can see is approximately actually same time. So final thoughts. I think both tools are actually amazing and mind-blowing, to be honest. I'm usually use the ChatGPT to start the work. So if I need to build a big component, I just need to work a little bit with the ChatGPT and it creates me almost done results. And then when I start tweaking this, like, I change colors or like layouts, it's much easier to do with the Copilot because it's more work on a small chunks. So I think these two tools is really complement each other. And if you want to boost your productivity as a software engineer or just, person who start coding, this is a highly recommended combination. ChatGPT is free. Copilot you need to pay, I guess, $100 a year. But I don't know, maybe they will make it also not free soon. So yeah, if you want to know more about like tools and software that can help you to build things and make the job done, subscribe.